Sanqiao MMA 4.0 welding machine using IGBT inverter technology with high reliability. Arc starting easier with fewer spatters, stable current during welding. Also comes with another version of wide voltage circuit design. Voltage range from 160 volts to 560 volts digital control system. Welding current is precise and adjustable. Electrodes database inside, can meets the needs of various welding requests. Specially developed current control system, arc success rate is higher. MMA 4.0 possess two functions, including MMA and lift TIG functions. Press function 2 button to select the function. On the right side, current, hot start and force current function available. Press function 3 button to select the function. In lift TIG mode, you can spin the knob to adjust current. Long press the function 3 button, you can turn on or off VRD function.